Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to filter WooCommerce report for on hold order only in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce report section. We select year and then you see 3 year 6 date, which include processing order, completed order and on hold order. But we are going to filter report for on hold order by using custom code and then export CSV. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin and then click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title and then you see code preview, or right here you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see order status on hold, again you see when accessing the specific report order status on hold, and then you see array sales by date and sales by product. So this code works for sales by date and sales by product. If you want you can add more, you can add sales by category in array. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to report section. So we are in year sale by date and then you see 3 year 6 date. Now refresh the page and then you see 2407. So this is on hold. So 2407.74 price for on hold order status, and this code works for sales by product also. And then click on export CSV and then click on save. So you can open CSV file to see all record. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.